what should people look out for? Is there anything in particular, especially in early recovery, maybe as it relates to isolation, that people are struggling with right now that they should look out for? And I think the number one thing is like the old recovery saying, your mind can be like a bad neighborhood, don't wander into it alone, right? Just not overthinking things, not, as we say in recovery, getting into your head, making sure that you are connecting with people through, and I don't care if it's through writing letters, right? Through some sort of communication with other people. I think that's really important. And then obviously making sure that you're not just kind of diverting into other negative habits or other addictions, online, gambling, shopping, maybe eating too much of, I'm sure we've all eaten a little bit more of the cookies and cake and ice cream over the past couple of months. I certainly have, but making sure that you're not going too far down that path. You don't want to start piling on the self-destructive behavior. So binge watching television, which can be okay in certain times like this, art, music, anything to keep your brain occupied and anything to keep you from sitting around on your hands being bored stiff, I think it's going to be really important, because again, boredom's a really big trigger for people during normal times, let alone during something like this. And the third one, maybe not the easiest direct correlation, but I do think this is important, is some form of physical activity, right? Whether it's going for walks, walking the dog, walking around your block, if you have some exercise equipment at home and are so inclined to use it, hiking, the hiking trails that are available to you, swimming, whatever you can do. One, there's a little dopamine release there, which would be really helpful. Two, you just feel better when your body's in motion and when you're doing something, at least at intervals. If you're at home working or doing recovery all day, going on a couple of walks throughout the course of the day will really help you feel better and really help you be able to stay focused. So those would be just a couple of things I think people can do during this time.